This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to looking at the order by keyword in MySQL. So the order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. So for us to really perform this, we are going to use two different keywords, which is going to be the descending as well as the ascending order. Let's look at an example here. How can we actually do that? So what are we going to do now? We're going to select, remember that we've already typed in this, we're going to be working with this table as I mentioned before. And let's select star from student, order by, let's say order by course, okay? And we execute that. So we are going to select it from student order by course. Now, what are we having here? We have everything is mixed up, okay? It is ordered by course, and the course is moved by default is in ascending order. So we have A, after A again, we have C, we have C, E, J, M, and S. So this is in ascending order. So by default, the order by keyword is in ascending order. So if you want it to be in everything to be in descending order, what are we going to do? We are going to type it order by course. Then we are going to add what do you have? We add now the keyword descending, okay? We add descending, so means descending, D-E-X-S-C, descending. So if we execute that, we are going to see that the cursor is going to be from descending order, okay? Yes, so from S, we are going downward to A. So that is how you can actually use the order by keyword to actually fetch information from the database. You can also do it this way. You can say select star from this order by course, comma, then SD. Okay, so ID, comma, and then lecturer. So you can select multiple columns, okay? It's still valid. You run it, you see that it's going to be ordered by. So if you go to lecturer, you're going to see that by default is D, okay? In ascending order, okay, we have the D, we have the ID, okay? We mentioned ID, right? So we mentioned the ID, we have the course, we have the ID, we have the lecturer. So the course is in ascending order. The ID too is coming back in we have not mentioned, let's see, let's put descending order here to see. So what do we have here? So we have descending order, but course is in ascending order. Lecturer is in descending order. We have VT, all of them are mixed up, you see, they are all mixed up here. So when we want to do that, we have to simply just use two columns, course and ID. So with that, we're going to have the course and the ID. Course is coming from, so because the first one is a course, okay? So first priority will be given to this one. And then the second, which is the ID, is not going to be given. This one is in ascending order, which is by default. And then this one is in descending order, okay? Because the descending order is followed by this one. That is what is happening here. So that's that for today. Thank you very much. We can also just quickly do something like this. Maybe we want this one in ascending order, we also give it in ascending order. Let's see, course in ascending order, ASC. So we put it, there is that the course also is going to be ascending order, and then the ID is going to be in descending order. Okay, so those are the way in which you can actually execute this command using this keyword in MySQL. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on our next video. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group.